Welcome to Dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to automatically ask for product reviews just after 3 days after order completion in Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites. And next to your website built using Hostinger Website Builder, click on this Manage Store button to go straight to the store management area of your online store. Now scroll down to settings and scroll down more to emails. Click on it, and from this emails page, at the bottom of the same page you will see product reviews. By default, this product reviews request are sent 7 days after order completion. To automatically ask for product reviews just after 3 days from order completion, here select 3 days. Now let's preview the email message that our customers will receive. This is it. This is the online store name. How was it? Your feedback means a lot to us. And they will see the product title name here, product photo, and the 5 stars to click on. If they bought multiple products, they will see another one just like that. Close this window. And after that, to make sure that these settings are well saved, switch back to the website builder and click on this update website button. And now let's go back to manage store to make sure that our 3 days is saved. If I refresh this page, now I'm sure that automatically my website will ask for product reviews after just 3 days from after order completion. And this says how to automatically ask for product reviews 3 days after order completion in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.